I am going to be sharing the same methods that I used to generate over 9 million naira in just 90 days selling digital products. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So the quick question here is, how can you make money really fast during this period? Well, you should pay attention and remember to take notes if you need to. And this is the same method a lot of people are using to cash out online. And the difference between you and these people is information. Or maybe you are just scared to give it a try. Well, the good news is that this type of business model doesn't require you to have any expert skills or experience. And your second question should be, how do you get started? Well, we are getting started with high-quality private label rights products, and don't worry, I am going to show you exactly where to get this high-quality PLR product and how to rebrand it. And if you stay up until the end of this tutorial, I'm going to be giving you a master right to one of my customized templates. So you're going to head over to this website. Don't worry, I will have it linked down below, so you can just click on it and look through it. Alternatively, take it on the screen here. First things first, let's talk about what PLRI is, what you can do with it, what you can't do with it, and all of that stuff. In the very simplest terms that I can explain, what private label rights are. With private label rights, you are free to sell the product as it is or customize it with your branding. So, when you get any of the digital products, you can resell them to anybody and make as much profit as you like. And you know that working with already made templates can save you so much time? Because if you are creating every single product from scratch, you're going to waste a lot of time that could be used for marketing strategies to increase profit. So there is a lot you can do on this website. It all depends on what you want and how you want to make money fast. If you do yourself the favor and take my advice, you are going to make so much money with the PLA products. So let's take a look at some of the products here. As you can see, we have printable planners, digital planners, journals, and all of that. So I am going to click on Journal to see more. And here is the journal section. You will need to listen carefully here. We have gratitude journal, we have manifestational journal, weight loss journal, we have therapy journal. And if you scroll through, you will see more journals. And the truth is, most of your KDP gurus don't start from scratch because it is easier to work with a template and modify it if need be. And this is how they get to make a lot of money. And if you are a KDP publisher, this will give you ideas on trending journals to create. I mean, there is so much you can do here. So I'm going to click on the manifestation journal to see what the interior looks like. And there you go. Pretty simple and nice, right? And if you click over here, you will have an insight into the interior. This is what the interior looks like. And you can even zoom your screen for a better view. As you can see, this is a well-designed journal, and if you go for this template, you will be given full access to resell it and profit. So right now, I will go for another journal, and that will be Floral Planner and Journal. This is a very lovely design, and the good part is they are all editable on Canva. So here is how you are going to make money off this PLL product. When you get the product, you are going to rebrand it on canva.com. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to rebrand in just a minute. You see, making low-content books can be very profitable, being that it does require little to no investment. And here is the trick you can use to create hundreds of low-content books on Amazon KDP, Etsy, or any other platform. Most low-content publishers on Amazon have the same interiors for all of their planners, journals, and all, but only change the book covers and title to make it unique. And this is how they get to create hundreds of planners, journals, notebooks, and all of that. And the truth is, the number of low-content books you have on Amazon KDP will determine how much you will make on the platform. So here is what I will normally do when I download this product. I will head over to canva.com to rebrand it. Now, rebranding might include anything from changing color to adding extra pages to changing text style and personalizing the book. Now, this is one of the templates I downloaded. It is a webinar template, and it is customizable. You can change colors, text styles, or even the features. So I'm going to show you guys another template. So this is a weekly planner. It has a unique page of 7 to 8. So here is what you're going to do. Once it comes to rebranding, you can change the colors, font size, text size, and all of that. So for this, I added new pages, which are the content pages. This page has a little write-up on what makes the planner so unique and tells you the importance of having one. And I also went and added the feature page. This page shows how the interior is designed and what's expected on the interior page. This makes it more unique. And the last thing I added was the introduction page. This page ushers them into the world of journaling their daily activities. So these are the 3 pages you would need to add to your journals when you purchase any of the templates online. So here is what you can do to make your interior page unique. Come over here and change the text style to your preference. Ensure that it is all uniform. And when you need to change color, just click on this shape with mixed colors and you are ready to mess around with the color of your choice. It's that simple, guys. If you scroll through, these are all editable here on canva.com. And all you need to do is add more pages by simply clicking here to duplicate the page or clicking on this plus sign to have a blank space to work on. So I just showed you how to rebrand a template, and this is how you will make money off this. But don't worry if you don't have enough funds to get templates online. You know what? I am going to show you another way to get your journal or planner interiors here on Canva, all for free using a simple hack that I found. And if you follow my advice, you are going to make so much money doing this. So if you come over there, just type journal cover page. Now scroll through and ensure you select the best journal cover. I will go with this cover, then I'm going to click on customize. Now it's going to open up this, and here's where you are going to pay the most attention. Now you're going to look for templates to work with. These are all interior pages, but here is the trick. You're going to look for interiors that have more than 2 pages, because if you work with a 1 or 2-page interior, you might run out of ideas along the line, but you want to go for the templates with over 7 pages of unique interiors. So I'm just going to search through and look for the interior that has enough pages to use, and this is going to make our work very fast. As you can see, we have a template with over 7 pages, 12 pages and all that, but we want templates that have enough pages, so I think this is not bad. One thing we're going to do is just click on it. It's going to bring you up here. Then you scroll down just to see all the pages, and if you are satisfied with it, just click on apply all 25 pages or so. Just click on it and you have it on your workspace. This is the cover page of your book, and here are the interior pages. So you can start working on all of these, and this is how you get to make free journals using Canva. It's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. You don't need any technical skills to be able to edit this. Just click on the area that you want to edit, and there you go. So guys, I'm giving out this template to anyone who wants to create a journal and sell it online, or maybe for personal use too. All you need to do is rebrand. It's 365 days journal. So we have January, we have the 1st of January, we have the 2nd of January, we have the 3rd of January. It's going on and on and on. It's a daily journal, and the next thing you would want to do is rebrand it. And I am going to show you one simple trick to change the color of the entire interior with just a click. Now click over here to see the color palette. So I'm going to change the colors right now. And feel free to mess around with the colors till you get the perfect color for the interior. And once you are okay with the color, just click on the button that says change all, and you will have the whole interior color changed. So you see, all the pages have this color now, and this is how you get to work very smartly. That is it, guys. So once you get this template, as I said earlier, I'm going to be giving it to you all for free. All you have to do is make it unique by rebranding, and I just showed you how to rebrand. So once you are done rebranding it, you are going to come over here, click on Share, choose PDF Print, then click Download and click on Download again. And this is how you are going to be making money. You see, this is the time of year when journals are in high demand. So you want to start pushing your journals into the market. And if you have listened carefully to the tutorial, remember that I shared with you a trick on how to create multiple journals, right? So go ahead and create multiple journal covers for this interior and start selling on your preferred platform. But I suggest you should start with Amazon KDP if you are just starting. So guys, let me know if you want the 356-day journal. Just leave a comment in the comment section saying something like I'm interested or so. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Please give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful, and subscribe to join the community where we are all about making money. I'll see you guys in my next video.